Hey folks, the Fujifilm X-M5, Fujifilm's newest lightweight mirrorless camera, has been designed with a range of users in mind, from enthusiasts and amateurs to content creators. As the camera market continues to evolve, it's always interesting to see how new models stack up against other popular releases, with the Fujifilm X-S20 being one of the company's flagship cameras for multimedia creators. Comparing these two models provides insights for potential buyers who are weighing their options. Priced at £799 for the body alone, the X-M5 is set to hit the market on November 14th, while the Fujifilm X-S20, released in June 2023, has a body-only price of £1,249. The £450 price difference reflects various factors, some of which may make the X-S20 a more attractive option for certain users. But let's dive deeper into the features and performance to better understand where each camera excels. Both cameras share a significant similarity in their core components. The Fujifilm X-M5 and X-S20 both house the same 26.1 megapixels X-Trans CMOS 4 APS-C sensor, which has become a trusted and well-loved sensor, also seen in models like the X-T4 and X100V. This is paired with the X-Processor 5 image processor, offering impressive image quality and performance in both cameras. With this combination, users can expect fast autofocus, great dynamic range, and superb low-light performance from both the X-M5 and the X-S20. One of the key differentiators, however, is in the viewfinder. The X-S20 boasts a 0.39-inch OLED electronic viewfinder with a 2.36 million dot resolution, providing a more traditional shooting experience for photographers who prefer an eye-level viewfinder. On the other hand, the X-M5 is more compact and does not feature an EVF. Instead, it relies solely on its 3-inch, 1.04 million dot, vari-angle touchscreen. While both cameras have articulating touchscreens, the X-S20 has a higher resolution display at 1.84 million dots, offering clearer visuals when composing shots or reviewing images. When it comes to portability, the X-M5 takes the crown, weighing only 355 grams compared to the X-S20's 491 grams. For users who prioritize a lightweight setup, especially for street photography or travel, the X-M5's reduced weight might be a deciding factor. Both cameras are excellent choices for video creators, as they support high-resolution 6.2K video recording. They can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second or 6.2K at 30 frames per second, providing detailed, crisp footage. However, the X-S20 pulls ahead in terms of battery life, especially for extended video shoots. It can record up to 85 minutes of 6.2K footage or 80 minutes of 4K, while the X-M5 can only manage 45 minutes in 6.2K or 40 minutes in 4K, making the X-S20 a better option for those who need longer recording sessions without swapping batteries. The difference in battery performance extends to still photography as well. The X-S20 can capture up to 750 frames in normal mode or 800 in economy mode, whereas the X-M5 lags behind with 330 frames in normal mode and 440 in economy mode. This significant disparity makes the X-S20 more suitable for long shooting days or events where frequent battery changes might be inconvenient. Another area where the X-S20 outshines the X-M5 is image stabilization. While both cameras offer digital stabilization in video mode, only the X-S20 features in-body image stabilization for still photos. With 7 stops of 5-axis stabilization, the X-S20 allows for sharper images when shooting handheld in low light or at slower shutter speeds, making it more versatile in challenging conditions. The absence of in-body image stabilization in the X-M5 might be a limitation for photographers who frequently shoot in such situations without a tripod. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-M5 and X-S20 have a lot in common, from their sensors and processors to their ability to capture high-quality video. However, the X-S20 offers a more well-rounded feature set, with an EVF, better battery life, and in-body image stabilization. These extras, of course, come at a higher price point, and whether they are worth the additional £450 will depend on your specific needs as a photographer or content creator. For those who prioritize portability, the X-M5 could be the perfect fit, while users who require extended battery life, an EVF, and in-body image stabilization may find the X-S20 a better match. Thanks for watching. If you liked this comparison, write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.